was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of.
What it do, YouTube? Say Nate Chevy boy, baby. We back at you with another video, man. And today, we got a little ride to take, man. You know I'm always trying to do something, man. I got to keep y'all that content, right? So we finna jump in Cayenne in the red hot pepper, man. We finna jump in Cayenne and go to this much needed appointment I've been waiting to go to. So this is more of a consultation than a drop off. I'm not dropping it off. It's a consultation. I got to let him put his eye on it so he can see exactly what, you know, he got to do, and so he can properly charge me. You see what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, we're going to jump in Cayenne. And, you know, before we set out and embark on our journey, we must do a cold start. And, man, I'm going to tell y'all, man, I've been doing it cold start from the remote the last 2-3 times I drove Cayenne, man. So we finna try it and see. I don't know what's been different, but it been cranking up lately. But watch it act up for the camera. Watch this. Cross your fingers. Prepare for takeoff. Look it up. Look it up. That's crazy, bro. I promise you I done cranked that thing up. I did it by mistake yesterday. I thought I was cranking up the Yukon, and it was the truck. So let's try it again. It's gonna crank up on the second try. Man, that's crazy. I gotta stop by Jazz today anyway. But I'm gonna wait till I get that fuel, because you know, I didn't talk to y'all about it, but I'm finna redo my fuel tank on here. I'm going with an external pump, and then the guy, shout out to 901 Twin, man. He's putting me a bong. I bought a brand new tank. He putting a bong at the bottom of the back of the tank. Because, man, anytime I'm driving my truck, just say I get like a little bit under half a tank, and, man, you smack the gas, it'll hesitate a little bit because it'll starve for gas, because it's throwing all the gas to the back of the tank where it's throwing it away from the pump. You see what I'm saying? So now gas will always be coming through the line on an external pump going through 2 filters. I'm going to have 2 filters on there, man. All the parts are in this box right here. If I think about it when I get home, I'll show y'all all the parts I got. Yeah, but I bought a brand new OEM tank. And these are the parts. 2 filters, the fuel pump, and it's something else. Something else in there. I know all the little ends and stuff I need. AN fittings and stuff. So that's what we're going to do, man. I'll probably wait till after that to see if that's going to solve my problem. It's going to crank this time. That's crazy, man. So let me go in here and grab the rest of my things. And we'll be ready in a minute, man. It's the Nate Chevy boy. Keep it locked. Yeah, man. We back. The remote started, ended. I was in the house getting myself together. The remote started, ended. But we about to jump in the truck, man, and eat on the go. What y'all know about them? I ain't even going to tell you what they are. I need y'all to drop down in the comments right now in the middle of the video and tell me what are those, and if you get down with this type of get down. You know what I'm saying? What you know about that? There's some country boy stuff there, man. This is my breakfast. I just made them for me and boss lady before I head out. And this will hold me off until lunch. Yes, sir. So Nate Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. All right. Yep. We almost there, baby. I just got off Instagram live, talking to them. I know y'all didn't want to ride on this long, boring ride like that, huh? Well, y'all like it when I be doing the ride along, man. I know a couple people say they like when I do them. Excuse me, man. Like my boy Dark Side. know, Anthony Lee. Who else, man? Man, I forgot who that was. Hold on, this boss lady. I'll be right back. Yeah, that was boss lady. They say I'm like 3 minutes away, man, so I'm right up the road, you know what I'm talking about? I'm right up the road, baby. So, 787 Chevy boy, like, I don't know, I honestly don't know if he's gonna allow filming in his shop. You know, some people like it, some people don't. Some people don't want all the exposure. So, I will definitely let y'all know. Y'all will see it if he does. If not, I'll holler at y'all when I come back. But I will at least ask him to let me take a few pictures of his work so I can post them on the page. And we're gonna do it like that, man. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked. Alright. What it do? What it do? Woo! Yeah, we back, man. 78 Chevy boy. Just got to hollering at the man, the man himself. The interior man. Like I said, I ain't gonna say no names yet. But the interior man, And as y'all can see, I got a smile on my face. That means the consultation went well. The consultation went well, man. So he told me that he'd probably be able to get me in the 1st of January, right? Around the 1st of January after the holidays. Maybe before. Don't get my hopes up about before. But almost definitely the 1st of January. So with that being said, man, I'm loving what I hear, what I'm hearing. He looked at it, man. He gonna do my interior from top. Well, I don't need the headliner. I already had that done. But from the sun visors all the way down to the carpet, man, and everywhere in between, he's gonna do it, man. We're going with a brown vinyl, you know, distressed look, like a chocolate distressed look with red stitching, man. That's what we're gonna do. Then he gonna wrap my pillars and the piece behind the seat, like right here. He gonna wrap that, and pretty much I told him everything else he can dye, man. He can dye everything, you know, as far as the small pieces. He gonna do my door panels. He doing everything, man. Yeah, man. He gonna do all that. The man gave me a wonderful price, man. I gotta say, he gave me a wonderful price, and I can't do nothing. I said, man, Mr. Doug. I said, man, look. Do you need a deposit right now? I'll give you a deposit right now. He was like, no, we don't need a deposit. I said, well, okay, now, anywhere between now and when you get me, if you need a deposit, I'm just trying to let you know that I'm serious. It won't be a hold up on my end. You know, I'm pretty sure being a businessman all these years, you've dealt with all kind of people. And I'm not one of them. I'm just letting them know off top, I'm not one of them, man. It'll never be a hold up on my end. So I think he pretty much, you know, take me for my word and my character and how I come off. Probably gave him good vibes to where he don't need a deposit. He gonna get it on the back end. He'll get all his money on the back end. So man, I can't say nothing else, but I can't wait until he called me, man. He told me to touch bases with him next month and see what he looking like. Look out, boy. And we'll see if he can get me in early. If not, he'll have a date for me. So y'all just keep it locked, man. We're gonna swing by here by Jazz Shop right quick and stop by the t-shirt man to see what's going on with him. So 78 Chevy boy, keep it locked, man. All right. What's up, man? 78 Chevy boy, we back. I was out there at Jazz Shop, but I ain't do much recording, man. Cause we sitting up there talking. I had my phone on charge, and man, I look up. I asked my partner. I said, "Man, what time is it?" Like 2:06. Man, I left out of there fireballing, man. You wanna know why? I left out of there. I'm talking about. I picked my phone up, Cause I had to pick up this precious cargo right here, man. Lil P, man. Yeah, I had to go pick up from school today, man. So Daddy couldn't be late. So, man, I hit that slab, boy. If they would have got behind me, I don't know. We're gonna have a big ticket, or there's gonna be a high-speed chase on the news, man. Why you speeding, sir? I had to pick my baby up from school, man. Yes, sir. But yeah, we headed to the house now. And we're gonna go down here, man, and see what's going on with Memphis Mike, man. I hadn't said that on the last few videos, but I want y'all to send a prayer for Memphis Mike for me, man. Memphis Mike lost his father last week, and you know, of course, we never want to lose anybody from our family, man. So y'all drop down in the comments, please, and send up, put the prayer hands or send up a prayer. Send your condolences to Memphis Mike, man. I'm pretty sure he gonna look at the comments, but that's my guy, man. He watch all my videos, so y'all do that, man. Send some positive healing energy to Memphis Mike at this moment, man. This time of need. Do that for me, y'all. Other than that, we gonna drop down here because I hit him up this morning, asked him how he was doing, how anything he needed, and he said he had a few things to do. He had to run around a little bit. Then he was gonna go down to the shop and try to get some work done. So we just gonna pop up, man. I told him I'll come by later. We're gonna pop up and see what he got going on, man. 787 boy, Lil P. Keep it locked. 78 Chevy Boy presents the Connecting, Never Competing Car Show. Going down in a major way, man. 5/15/22. Mark your calendars.
We're going up.
Everybody is invited, man. Low riders, old school, new school, lifted trucks, slingshots, motorcycles, it don't matter. It's a big reunion for the culture. Come on out, have a good time, pop your tent up, sit back, relax, network, link up. That's what it's about, man. Connecting, never competing. Get ready. Mark your calendars. 5/15/22.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding